So University of Bristol is like a really high ranked university in the world, and I want to work on the climate change chemistry, and I found my supervisor working on the CO2 capture and conversion, which is like perfectly matching with my interests. This university suits perfectly for me, so Bristol is the best place to do my PhD here for tackling climate change, I think. We are experiencing a lot of consequences like rise in temperature, rise in sea level, and like a lot of other factors like flooding and everything. So if we don't mitigate the climate change by now, we might have a severe consequences at the later stage. So it's better to tackle now than regret later, maybe. Coolest thing to do in University of Bristol is like mainly in our research, like you need to handle the instrumentation by yourself, which is quite nice, which we never experienced back in India. So there will be some technician to do always for you, but here you can operate and analyze your sample by your own, which is quite nice. My supervisor inspired me quite a lot. Like he's really hardworking, and like he support in every way. And we have also another lecturer which is called Professor Jonathan Cladden, and which is like world renowned in chemistry. We read his textbook Organic Chemistry by him, so I like to be here and get learn from him, which is quite nice to be in Bristol. University of Bristol is quite supportive in mental and well-being. They have like proper mental and well-being team, which you can reach out to them anytime, and whatever things you are struggling with, you can discuss freely with them, I think, which is really quite useful for those who struggle for their mental well-being, I think. As an international student, University of Bristol is quite supportive, and they support in every way. Like my funding is about to expire, but they gave me some additional funding support to continue my studies, and also their support for going to some conference and like any other specific activities you want to do. And yeah, University of Bristol is quite supportive in every way.